Hi there, welcome back to Palette Life, and this is SUMA BABU. How are you all? It's been a long time since I posted my last video. I think it's been 12 days now. Actually, I was not well, and after that I was busy with our association Onam. So the Onam function was yesterday. So now I am free. In between I could not make any painting, but this one I have started a few weeks back. It's in a huge canvas. This is not yet completed. So today I am going to share few facts about doing a painting on a large size canvas or an oversized canvas. I also had a dream to paint on a huge canvas. So I did few paintings. You might have seen in my earlier videos some abstract paintings I have done in big canvases. And after that I got a commission on 6 by 6 feet canvas to do a landscape. So while doing that I have few different experience. So today I just wanted to share with you a few facts about doing painting on a large canvas. I hope this will be useful for the beginner artists. So fact number 1, if you have a dream to paint on a bigger canvas, go for it and have that experience. It differs on individually. Some people may be very confident doing the loose strokes of paint. So for them, they can complete the whole canvas within short span of time. For the slow painters, it is going to take much of their time to complete one such painting. And fact number 2 is, like, it is going to be time consuming. So it is not like doing on a small canvas or a medium sized canvas. So this is a huge area. So don't ever start with a really big canvas. You can start with the larger canvas. Like, you can feel that experience and how you are able to do that, and how much time you are going to take. As per that, you can select the much bigger canvas later. The fact number 3 is, it is going to consume a lot of paint for doing one such painting. So what happens is, if you are aiming for an oil painting in a bigger canvas, it is going to cost you more. So for that, one tip I am going to tell you. So you can do, or you can use acrylic paints for the underpainting. So you can save a lot of money. And fact number 4 is, don't rush to complete a painting, even if it is a small one or an oversized painting. So what happens is, especially in an oversized canvas, if you are not doing or not giving enough detail, it is going to give you that incomplete look. So give time for giving more details wherever required. And fact number 5 is about brushes. Even if you are doing a big canvas, you may have to use the small sized brushes in some areas. But the plus point is, you are getting an ideal opportunity to use your unused bigger sizes brushes. So you can do or you can use that brushes for underpainting, so you can cover that area faster. Fact number 6 is, if you are working on a big canvas with acrylic colors, you may face a problem of drying up the colors if you are working on the whole canvas at once. So you can divide that canvas into a few small parts, and you can work on that small area at once. That is going to help you to save the paint from drying up. Fact number 7 is about transporting the painting. So normally what happens is, if you have a commissioned painting, it is better to do that painting on a canvas roll, so that you can transport that painting by rolling up that canvas to anywhere in the world. It is better to avoid doing a painting on a canvas board if you want to shift that painting into some other place. So if you are doing that painting on a stretched canvas, you can remove that stretchers instantly, and after shifting you can redo that stretching. It is better to do a big size canvas on a stretched canvas or a canvas roll, but don't do it on a canvas board. Fact number 8 is about storing these huge size paintings. Like it is better to keep on wall by hanging or otherwise you can keep it on floor vertically for storing these paintings. But make sure keep that painting away from dust. And fact number 9 is it is good to do on a bigger canvas once in a while, so that you may feel it is easy to complete that huge area. You have that experience how to use the whole hand, using your shoulder and all to cover that area. And after that, if you are making in small area, you will be able to make it faster. That is my experience. It's a tip I am sharing. So you can do bigger canvas painting once in a while. And fact number 10 is when you take up the bigger canvas painting, you have to think about or you have to take that as a time consuming project. So let that painting be on, like you can do touch up on a daily basis, or you can dedicate few hours on a daily basis, and you should take that in such a way that it is going to take time. But side by side you can take up a smaller project, so that you have that feeling of you are able to complete painting quickly. Like I personally like to complete paintings faster as possible. What happens here is we will have that feeling of not completing this painting. So side by side I am doing few smaller paintings. So there I have that feeling of I have completed this many paintings in a week and all. So painting on a larger canvas has its own delights and challenges. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you want me to make videos on any topics, let me know in the comment section so that I can make and I can help you on that subject. I'll try to clear your doubts. See you soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, take good care of your health and happy painting. Bye.